Good morning guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a brand new smartwatch from Zebronics and let me tell you, this thing is a total banger guys. I mean the kind of specs it offers at this price point, right? It's insane! This smartwatch is only around 3,299, comes with an AMOLED display, Bluetooth calling is there, IP67, digital crown function is there and offers a premium metal build quality. I am like super excited to show this smartwatch in this video. Let me just quickly remove this packaging and give you a closer look at the box. So the model we'll be checking out today is Zebronics all new iconic AMOLED smartwatch, and as I've told you, it's got Bluetooth calling on board, local music storage is also there. You can even connect your Bluetooth TWS to this thing and enjoy songs on the go guys without even using your smartwatch. And here's a quick look at all the specs and features of this model right over here. So let's quickly get started with the unboxing. The outer cover slides out like this, and on the inside we've got one more box packaging with the Zebronics branding. Let me just open it and show you. Very nice presentation. As you can see, all the features are highlighted over here, and at the top you've got some paperwork. You can scan this for the user manual, and here's the smartwatch we've been waiting for. Zebronics all new iconic AMOLED smartwatch, and boy oh boy, look at that color. So we've got two color variants over here guys. One is gray and the other one is like a deep blue, and we'll just come back to this in a moment. In the package you also get straps for the smartwatch in blue shade, and lastly a magnetic pogo pin cable for charging. That is it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me give you all a closer look at the smartwatch and talk about the design, build quality and the overview. So guys, here are the smartwatches in two different shades. We've got blue on the left and gray on the right. Which one did you like? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Okay, initial impressions, I have to say smartwatch looks quite premium guys. I mean, it's a big looking smartwatch, and entire watch case is made of like metal guys. Definitely feels quite premium. At the top also you've got like a super big 1.8-inch AMOLED display with HD resolution, and that too with a 2.5D slight curve. And on the right side you've got like a digital crown function. Placement is like very similar to Apple Watch only guys. The whole design in fact looks like that. Below that you've got a microphone, and then there's a power on off button as well. To the left side here you've got the speaker. This is your speaker. It's got like both microphone and speaker for Bluetooth calling. And here's how the back of the watch looks like. It's got a complete glossy finish, and not to forget, watch is also IP67 rated water resistant. You've got your HR sensor and charging contacts on the bottom, and that is pretty much it. Very nice looking smartwatch guys, and also quite premium and heavy in the hand. Talking about the straps quality is also nice, feels soft and durable, and yes, they are replaceable as per your convenience. So what I'll do is I'll quickly set them up, use them for some time, and then be right back to continue this video. Alright, I'm back to continue the video. I've been using this smartwatch for quite some time, and now I'll be sharing my complete feedback on this model. There are so many things I have to talk about guys, so make sure to watch this video till the end and don't skip any part. First of all, let's talk about the display. So Zebronics iconic smartwatch comes with a big 1.8-inch AMOLED HD display, and it's absolutely beautiful guys. I mean, one of the best displays you can get on a smartwatch around this price point. There is good amount of detail. Look at that. Everything looks crisp and clear on it, no matter what sort of content you open, and colors just look rich and vibrant thanks to that AMOLED panel. And viewing angles are also nice. And talking about brightness is super bright guys. It's got 600 nits of brightness, and display is visible in any sort of lighting conditions, even in like bright outdoor situations. Not an issue at all. Though I do have to mention bezels are a bit thick over here, but hey, again, it's only 3,200 rupees, right? So you can't complain much for this price point. Very beautiful looking display. And what I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look and talk about the UI, built-in apps and features. And apart from that, it's an AMOLED display, right? So you do have always on support as well guys. Always on display is definitely there. You can choose between analog and digital styles as well. And best part on this smartwatch is this digital crown feature guys. It's got this beautiful crown over here, and using this you can control a lot of things. For example, you can immediately like on the go change the watch face using this crown, and I like the feel of it also. You know, it's got that clicky mechanical sort of feel of this crown. Anyways, by swiping down on the home screen guys, you can access your quick status panel. Here you've got lots of things, like you can adjust the brightness, gives you a glance at the weather, Bluetooth connectivity status, and also your settings icon is available. And by swiping up on the home screen, you can quickly access your notifications panel. Here it shows you all the recent messages, or maybe like missed call notifications, whatever you got on your smartphone. Again, for this you'll definitely need to be connected to your phone via Bluetooth, and also install Zebronics compatible compatible app, then only you will be able to get them. By swiping right on the home screen, you can quickly access some shortcuts. It shows you like the weather info, current time, and you've got some direct shortcuts for calculator, Bluetooth calling option, HR monitoring, and these sort of stuff. And by swiping to the left, right, you can access all the widgets present on the home screen. You've got your current day-to-day fitness analysis over here. It shows you how many steps you've taken, distance travel for that particular day. Moving on, you've got sleep data analysis. Your HR measurement app is there, BP measurement app is there, blood oxygen, SpO2, stress level measurement, and you also have like a built-in phone call, guys. There's literally a dialer present on this watch, and you can dial in any number and talk to that person from the watch only. You don't even need to take your smartphone out of your pocket. We'll come there in a moment. You do have voice assistant support. You can press this button to trigger voice assistant on your phone. Works with both Siri and Google Assistant. And lastly, you've got weather info, breathing exercises, and these sort of stuff. Now, for example, if you want to access the complete list of apps present on it, then you just need to click this digital crown button over here. And there you go. Now you get the complete list of apps present on it. There are so many apps on this smartwatch, guys. Zebronics hasn't skipped anything over here. You got your step counter, Bluetooth phone call option is there, all your health related stuff like HR measurement, blood oxygen, SpO2, sleep data analysis, and then you've got your sports related data. And this particular smartwatch can track up to like 100 plus sport activity tracking. You've got your walking, running, treadmill, different sort of sports also. And whenever you toggle that, right, watch will start measuring different sort of things like how many steps you've taken, distance travel, calories burned, and also your real time HR measurement as well. Though one thing you'll have to keep in mind is there is no built-in GPS because it's an affordable category watch, right? But it does support in-app GPS tracking, so you can keep that in mind. And apart from that, guys, you've got your usual watch related stuff like weather info, remote camera shutter, remote music player. And talking about the music player, right, you can not only control the music that is being played on your phone, but in fact it also has like a local music player. You have a bit of storage on this smartwatch, guys, and you can actually play and listen to music on the smartwatch itself because it's got a built-in speaker, right? And best part is you can even connect Bluetooth TWS also to this smartwatch. Now that is like pretty awesome. Moving on, you've got stopwatch, alarms, countdown function is available, calculator is also available, guys. And then lastly, in the settings, you've got some general related stuff like, display settings, call alert settings, theater mode is there. Crazy thing is you also have like two built-in games on this smartwatch. You've got a 2048 game and also Young Bird is also available. So you can also do a bit of time pass on this smartwatch anywhere on the go. So that is pretty much it, our complete overview on the built-in apps, features and UI. Alright, moving on, let's talk about the health and fitness related stuff. So the smartwatch supports like wide variety of health related stuff. I've told you, right? You've got your real-time HR measurement available, blood oxygen, SpO2 is there, sleep data analysis, and plenty of stuff is available. And talking about pedometer was working very well, giving accurate step count most of the time. And apart from that, talking about HR measurement, now here I have to say, guys, HR measurement was not that accurate. I don't know why, but I've compared it with like 2 to 3 different models around this price point, and accuracy was not that great. So this is something you'll have to keep in mind. Alright, now let me show you how you receive messages and call notifications on this smartwatch. Again, for this, you'll definitely need to install Zebronics compatible app on your phone, pair the watch with that and enable some permissions. And after that, right, you can easily access all your messages or call notifications from the notification area. It shows you from wide variety of sources, guys. For example, we got a tweet over here, right? It shows you the name of the person who tweeted and also the content of the message. Though unfortunately, you can't reply to messages from this smartwatch. And talking about call, right, I've told you this smartwatch has like built-in microphone and a speaker, and you can directly place a call from the smartwatch only without even taking out your phone. You can access Bluetooth calling with a simple gesture like this. Click on this Bluetooth calling icon and there you go. It shows you all your recent calls on the smartwatch. Dial pad is there, and you can even add some favorite shortcuts, guys, favorite contacts, up to like 10 contacts maybe. Let me just show you a small demo and show you how the speaker quality on the smartwatch is. So just like that, you can dial in any number and place a call from the smartwatch only. And let me tell you, I was very impressed with the Bluetooth calling feature on this smartwatch. I'm not exaggerating. Microphone quality on this thing is like very good. Other person couldn't even like differentiate. I was actually speaking to him via smartwatch. So microphone quality was nice, minimum background disturbances and stuff like that. And speaker quality was also good. Speaker quality was fine during indoors, guys, but if you use it in outdoor situations like heavy traffic or maybe on a bike, it might be a bit difficult to understand because output felt a bit less on this thing. So that's it about the Bluetooth calling feature. We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life. Now, I felt battery life was kind of mediocre during my usage. Now, on a typical day-to-day sort of usage now, with the brightness set to around like 60% and you're doing Bluetooth calling and you're using lots of smart features on this thing, then you can expect only around like 4 to 5 days of battery life. Again, if you're like a very heavy user, you do lot of Bluetooth calling with the smartwatch, then you can expect only around like 2 days of battery life, guys. That was the kind of results I was getting over here. If you're like a very light user, you just use it like a simple smartwatch, then you can easily expect around like 7 to 8 days of battery life. So that's it, our video on Zebronics all new iconic smartwatch. Very good looking smartwatch, premium look and feel, all metal built quality. You're getting a digital crown feature, AMOLED display is also there, and lots of stuff and features built in onto this thing. I can surely say it's like a value for money product, guys. You can't complain at this price point for the kind of features it was offering. The only thing Zebronics can maybe improve and work around is the software and the UI. Apart from that, everything else was great. So I'll leave link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.